Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the Stack of Presents project from the Gifts Galore Paper Pumpkin kit for November 2021. I have already made the snowman and the Christmas tree. They are really super cute. So let's get started on this one. The instructions here say that we put the tear and tape that came with the kit on the short edges of the box and also on the front and back along in between the lines that are on the back. So we need the Happy Holidays stamp that's here. The example here says Merry Christmas, but they're interchangeable. You can put Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays on the trees, and you can put Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas on the presents. So I'm going to go with Happy Holidays on this. I've pulled out a second block just to make it simpler, but this is the to and from that we need as well. And I have got the greeting blank along with the paper clip and the baker's twine that I need for the greeting. And I've also got the tag and the baker's twine that I need for the gift bag that goes inside. So the first thing we need to do is we need to build the gift holder. So I'm just going to peel off the backing from the tear and tape. And I've pre-folded all the edges so that they fold up nicely. And you just line up the edge like that and give it a bit of a push so the tear and tape grabs it. Just fold that in, line that edge up, give it a squeeze, and then do the same on the other side. Just peel the backing off the tear and tape. You can peel all of the backing at the same time if you want. I just find I don't get it stuck to my hands if I do it this way. So I'm going to fold that edge in, line it up, give it a squeeze. And I'm just going to, in here, tuck that edge in and line it up like that and give it a squeeze. So there is the box all made. So then I need to peel the tape off the stack of presents, and I don't know how to do this so you can see. I'm going to line this edge up with the bottom edge here. I'm going to move this up so maybe it's easier for you to see. I'm just going to lay that down like that. Give it a little push at the top and a push at the bottom. And then I'm going to peel off the backing from the tape here too. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm lining up the bottom edge with the edge that's here, like that. Okay, and again, reach in and give it a little push. So that's our gift box all made up, like that. So now I need to do some stamping. I need to take my Flirty Flamingo stamp spot and I'm going to ink up my Happy Holidays like this. And I'm going to place it down, give it a good push, and there we go. And that's beautiful. The Flirty Flamingo is such a beautiful color for the holidays. Before I do anything else, I'm going to do the to and from on the gift tag as well. And then we're finished with the stamping. So I'm just going to ink that up really well and put my to and from down here like this. There we go. So we're finished with the stamping. I'll put the lid back on there. And I'm going to put the baker's twine through the paper clip. I'm going to put it through the single end. This has got a double piece on it, and that's the piece that's actually going to go over the paper. So up at the single end, I'm just going to feed that through, get it up to about halfway, and then I'm going to tie a half knot just to hold it in place where I need it to be. And then I'm going to tie a bow. And if you've watched my videos, you know that bow tying is not my strength. So we're just going to do it a couple of times until I have it. I find the baker's twine can be a bit fiddly to tie a bow with, but we've got it this time. So there we go. Pull it tight, and you can adjust your loops. It says to cut a 12-inch piece of baker's twine. That gives you enough to hold on to make the bow, and you can leave the ends long or you can cut them short. And you just put the paper clip on the greeting like that, and then attach it to your gift box. And then with this one, after you finished writing the to and the from on here, I'm going to do something very similar with this. This is a 15-inch piece of the baker's twine. I'm just going to tie a single knot just to hold it together. And the kit comes with gift bags that you can fill. And I filled this one with old wooden stamp blocks. So I thought that was fairly fitting to put in here. So just bear with me while I tie this around. I'm going to loop the baker's twine around and then tie it in a knot to hold it in place. Because I tied the tag on, or I tied the baker's twine to the tag, I need to double wrap it. And then I'm just going to do a single bow, tighten it right up. There we go. And then tie the bow like that. There we go. We've got our to and from, and we can pop that in the gift holder, and there you go. There is your gift holder. Holds a decent amount of things inside. You can put popcorn inside, or chocolate bars, or anything that you like. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.